What's up, everybody? So, today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use AI to create very good flyers for your own brand, for your own businesses. And this is going to reduce you the cost of having to pay for a designer and getting overcharged. So, a lot of people don't really know how to tell AI the specific commands to get the desired result. And AI has gone so far that it is very easy to do things. All you need to do is have a reference image, the way the flyer, maybe there's a specific flyer you came across and you love the way it looks and you want your own to look in that similar style or something. You can also get that image and get your own style from that image. So before you can get a very good flyer, you need a reference, your content or context is what your business is about. Maybe you sell food stuff, then you can be like, okay, I sell food stuff, this is my number, this is my socials, and those kind of thing. And this last but not the least is your prompt, the kind of prompt you give it. And the funny thing is that when you are creating flyers using AI, you don't even need to write extensive prompt. You just need to be specific enough to give the AI what you want. And sometimes it can be just as simple as anything. What you really need to focus on is the content you want to put on the flyer, how you want it to be. Maybe there are specific logos you want to put and on that flyer. Do you understand? So today I'll be showing you how you can create your own brand flyers using AI, and I'll show you how easy it is to just get it done once and for all, to have everything in place. So like I said, when you are giving out the context, I'll be trying to use ChatGPT to form a template to give context. Maybe the location of your business. Make sure you put it as location. The date you are doing a specific thing, you put it there. Everything about, when you are telling your designer to build a flyer for you, is going to ask for all those details. So you will first draft out all those details in your notebook or something. Then you get your reference image or images on how you want it to look like, or have that design or learn from it, so the AI will give you a better kind of flyer. So this is very simple, this is very easy to do. You don't need to pay for anything. All you need to have is your Google account and your Gemini. And Gemini is free to Gemini has free generation for you to make images. So let's take a look at this example opening my tab. So this is the reference image. A friend of mine asked me to create a flyer for someone as of yesterday, and all he did was give me the context of our business, the content about our business, or the context what our business was about. So there was this particular flyer from my church. So this is the flyer. I don't know, I'm trying to open it in a full view, but you can basically see the style of the flyer. So this is what our business is. Chacha's collection, where style meets elegance. This is the content. So you can see I specify to the AI. Look at what I told. This is what I told the AI. This is all the prompt I used. Generate a flyer for this content using the flyer image uploaded style as reference. So I told it to use this image as a style reference. So let me reload this page. I think Gemini is having issues. Sorry. Yeah, so this is the actual flyer, which is the reference. The design we like that you specifically liked. That's maybe any design you saw you liked. So this is the flyer, which I specifically chose to represent my own. So, like I said, this is the content of our business, Chacha's collection, where style meets elegance. And this is the prompt I gave. It is very simple. Generate a flyer for this content using the flyer image uploaded style as reference. This is the content. That's all I did, and I sent the content. Send WhatsApp message. or screenshots of what you want of this WhatsApp or to these WhatsApp numbers. Delivery is nationwide. That's all I did. And look at what AI gave to us. Look at it. It even created a logo. Chacha's collection, Western meets elegance. Like it fixed the images, the shoes, the bags. That is how powerful AI is. So let's make an example instead of doing more talking. So first of all, I'm just going to make I think one or two examples. And this is the first image I saw from Pinterest. So it redirected me to Telegram. We are going to use this specific image. So why is Gemini buggy? So I'm going to get, because I don't want to start writing, I'm going to get ChatGPT to draft a template that we can add on the flyer. So I say draft a template to use a gadget template for a to use as a gadget store selling flyer. They sell phones, and other items related to phones and the location. Add the location, open times. That's maybe they open from 9 to 7 a.m. Monday to Friday, those kind of thing, etc. So we want to draft the context for it. Okay, so okay, that's drafted. Add store name, a random store name. So we've gotten our context or the content for our template. Let me get the image again since Gemini was being acting weird. So now we have done two things. Let's say this is your own store, this is your own brand. You already know what you want to put on your flyer. This is just an example where AI made it. You already know what you want on your own flyer. So it's just as simple as that. You can even get AI to rewrite your own properly and everything. So now this is the important part where I want you to learn and listen and watch carefully. It is your prompt. What are you going to write? Before I said, if you look at this image, I said, let's try to kind of made a mistake. If you look at this image, I said let's try to change the girl to a phone instead of anything, or let's just see what AI is going to do first. So the first thing is, let's say, listen now. So we want to make our flat. We'll say generate, just like the one we did, using the uploaded image. Loaded. Now, there is one thing I want you to add when you are creating your flyers. You want to be specific that you don't want it to feel like it's AI generated. You want it to look natural, like human like. So you can write it there. We don't want AI emojis, AI things. Now I said generate a flyer for this content using the uploaded flyers art uploaded flyer art as reference. But this time make ours better and a different color. We don't want AI emojis or icon. It should look professional and top class. So we want a proper flyer. So we will now tell you that this is the content. This is the content. So that is the content. Now we'll put the content. So you in this part you put your own content or the content which you already drafted for your own business. Do you understand? So this is where you put the content, and there is fast, there is thinking. Thinking has some generations for you, so you can use thinking and try to get the image properly. You can use fast, but it's better use thinking. So let's see what the AI is going to give to us. You can see I don't even have a pro version. It's 10. So look at what he created. Novatech. This is insane. Welcome to Novatech Mobile Hub, your one-stop shopping gadget. This is the power of AI. And this is brand new UK use smartphone, affordable Android phones, premium accessories, power banks, AirPods, device protection. Okay, let's try again. This time I want a different outcome. Let's make it more like this. I edited something. I said, but this time make ours better and replace the girl with a large phone. We don't want AI emojis. So I said uploaded as reference, almost a look alike, but this time make ours better. So we made some minor changes. Let's see. Yo. So look at what he created. Look at, so this is how you can create good flyers using AI. I'll see you guys on the next one.